Mr. Vasudev Kelani, President of the Singapore Sindhi Association, His Excellency Mr. P. Kumaran, High Commissioner of India, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to everybody. I'm delighted to be here this evening to celebrate the Singapore Sindhi Association's centenary. The SSA is one of the oldest registered Indian associations in Singapore, and reaching 100 years is truly a major achievement to be proud of. It reflects the dedication and endurance of your pioneers, your members, and your volunteers. And it's also a timely celebration with just a few weeks before the start of the Sindhi New Year, which this year will be on the 2nd of April. Mr. Vasudev spoke earlier on the history of the SSA and its many contributions, beginning with its founding in 1921 as the Sindhi Merchants Association, providing support to Sindhi businessmen coming to Singapore, and how the association has continuously grown and expanded its roles, including organizing social and religious activities for the community, and how it was named the Singapore Sindhi Association in 2003 to better reflect its mission to serve the needs of the entire Sindhi community in Singapore. Through the years, the Singapore Sindhi Association has proven itself to be a pillar of support for the Sindhi community. The Sindhis in Singapore form part of the larger Sindhi diaspora that have settled in different parts of the world. You originate, as the video showed, from the land of Sindh in present-day Pakistan. Sindh has been a key trading hub in South Asia for thousands of years. It's located along critical land routes linking India to the Middle East, to Central Asia, and to Europe, and also along sea trade routes between the East and the West. Given this strategic location, it's not surprising that many Sindhis became merchants and traders. And from one generation to the next, they've built far-flung networks and honed their business acumen. And they've also developed other traits: diligence, perseverance in the face of adversity, willingness to take calculated risks. These are critical ingredients behind the success of the Sindhi